Alright guys, bought this shit from Auto Part International. I regret every voltage of it, every amperage of it. This thing is old, but as you can see, shit collected dust. I bought this thing, charged it once, twice. After that, I stopped holding its power. I charged this thing for about 24 hours. It gave me 14 voltage, and next morning it's down to 12, which means this thing never performed. Every time I charge and I want to jump a car, it had no juice. So we're gonna just take this apart. I don't even know which bolt goes where, but it's either garbage or we put in another battery. Let's see what the hell is it. Maybe the battery is gonna cost me more than the box. Okay, did I miss any? Yeah, I don't think so. Maybe this one right here. I don't even care about these nuts and bolts. And like I said, I regret every voltage of it. Freaking didn't jump a one car. It didn't freaking jump a one car. Anyways, buy official shit from Snap-on. We do say we don't like Snap-on, but I would say I don't like them for scan tools. They're pricey, but to get the job done, you need the pricey shit compared to this stuff, because you might get a car it's not starting, and next thing you know, you can't even jump start it. So it is not the jump box, it is this stupid battery in here. So this is the battery we're gonna need. It's probably gonna be more than, okay, check this out, check that out. That's how they sold it to me, I guess. Check that out. Let's bring the camera closer. Let me get this camera. Take a look at this. Look at this. Look at this baby. It's baby ballooned. It's like baby bottle pop, pop, pop goes weasel. Anyways, we're gonna try to figure out if you can get this battery, but it got juice in it. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna simply just take this stuff off, and get the battery out of it. So there's not much in it. It just charges this, and this thing just jumps your car. It does give it good power. Okay, so we're gonna bring our light and camera a little bit this way because we look all over. Anyways, it's no longer about me being in the video. It's about the video itself. Okay, this is number 10. Okay, there it is. So this thing is like an Allen key. So this thing screws in there. Oops, there goes our washer. So this screws in there. Let's see what we got here. Okay, I'm gonna have to use my key wrench because this side, it doesn't want to come out with the stud. What kind of battery is this? Is a nickel matter? It doesn't say anything. This is a BB battery. I'm gonna show you guys what we see in here. So let's just save this stuff. The washer's got to be saved. So there's a washer. There's a big washer, and then there's this another washer in the bottom. So this thing just stays just like that. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna put this baby back in, and I am gonna put the nut on so I don't lose this stuff. Everything else just can stay. This one needs another washer here. Drop the one washer, I'll pick it up. But anyways, this thing is heavy. This thing is nothing cheap. Okay, anyways, let's take a look. So this is not gonna hold charge anyway. It's done deal. So there's a part number. I'm gonna go by this part number. Let's see if I can find something. Part number JNC660. And this is it says 12S. I don't know if that's how many cells it has inside. It's 12 volts. And there's not much information on this baby. But let's see. I'm gonna Google this up and hopefully I can find it, and then we'll put this baby back together if I can find it. So I found this thing on Amazon. It's about 60 bucks. There you go. That's the price on it. And just put in the number, the part number. That's what I did. JNC105. And then it goes to 1010 JNC 1224. It's the same battery. Just check the numbers. 12 and 22 gel. This is 12 volts. And this thing should work out pretty good. So I'm going to order this. Okay. This thing is super light because there's nothing in there. Here's our old battery. There's the part number on the top I showed you guys. But anyways, got a package that I'll order this baby. Attention, your order is returnable. Okay, we're not gonna return this guy. Anyways, whole bunch of stuff here. And in the package here, we got ourselves a battery. Comes with a whole bunch of bolts that we can use these, but we're probably gonna use the old one. These, I like these. If they don't work out, then we will put these in. Anyways, okay, inside here, in the box, is the battery I showed you guys. Okay, and 3 months warranty. I don't want that because they're not gonna honor that. But anyways, these guys are crazy. There it is. Here's the battery. So this jump box is ready to get repaired. It's about the same size, same thickness, should be direct fit. Okay. Let's try one of these. Okay, that doesn't come out, so I forgot about that I had to remove that. So what I'll do here is, I like these bolts better here. This one does come out right here. Hopefully my camera can see all this. Okay, alright, so what I'm doing here is, it's been a while, it's been a week since this part came in and I grew a little bit of hair. And nope, doesn't fit. That's good, it's alright. They got a package in here. So they give you 2 different sizes. We're gonna use these. Whew. Come on. What kind of package is this? It's like me in high school eating candies. There you go. That's what we're gonna do. So, I did put one of the screws back in here. I'm gonna take that out. And where did I put that? Down here. There you go. That should be loose. So we do need to get rid of this. Make sure they don't touch each other once you install this stuff, because this jump box is ready to go. It's ready to explode. Okay, I put 2 screws in there. There you go. This baby should open up. There you go. And what we're gonna do here is, we're gonna simply just put our battery in place. And okay, it doesn't want to stay there, so we're probably just gonna have to reach. So I'm gonna use these long ones here. So what we're gonna do is, they give us a washer and a washer and a washer and a washer. So we're gonna put washer. We're gonna put 1, 2, 3 through it. 1, 2, 3 through it. And hopefully this reaches. Let's bring this camera closer. Bring it right here. It's fair right here. There you go. So, can it reach? No, it won't reach. I don't want to lay the toolbox down. I mean, not the toolbox, the jump box. So this is the positive side, and we're gonna get the positive side in. People always say ground it first. We already made that mistake. Ground my kids. That's the only thing I'm gonna ground. So hopefully we didn't miss any cable because it's 4 on this side. It's all good. It's all good. So we only got one crush washer. We're gonna put this, and this all together. Okay, and then I am gonna go get an 8mm because mine's an 8mm. Maybe I could tap it with this, but I don't want to touch it anywhere else. Okay, this will do. Don't want to go crazy because you will strip this baby, and you do not want that. Just take it easy. Go easy on it. So this baby's in there perfectly the way we want this to be. Let's see if this thing got any voltage. So this thing is fully charged, 13 volts. Let's take it. Let me bring the camera closer. 13 volts. Okay, look at this. Okay, covering up the 13 volts. Jump box is fixed. I am gonna read the booklet and stuff, see if it says anything about charging, and okay, that's it. Bada bing, bada boom. And what I do want to do is, just so I know, okay, we can always, I want to take the sticker off. Okay, I wanted to put a part number there, but we can always go by this number down the road for the reference. Anyways, everything is nice and tight. Terminals are tight, and this baby is ready to go. It's too bad that I have to spend more money to get this thing fixed up. And what I want to do here is this thing should be direct fit. Something's bothering me. I think this is terminal here. Or is this battery more thicker than the other one? Well, it's the same thing. Shouldn't be an issue getting this cover on. Should not be an issue. Okay, it's this little screw that's bothering me here. See that little guy? Came back out. The little screw came back out. There you go. Shebang. So make sure you get it perfectly and evenly. And I still gotta line the top one. So I'm gonna put this on. And this side. These cables that bothered me. There you go, perfectly closed jump box. And put one over here. Okay, now I can just put the rest of them in. Just make sure you don't touch the two cables together because this thing is live. Okay, that's it, guys. Perfectly. In the back over here, turn the ignition on before making cable connection. So you gotta have your ignition on. Do not touch red or positive. Okay, that's it. After use, recharge jump carry, see manual charge instructions. But that's it, guys. Fixed up my jump box. I am gonna clean up the leads here, and which they look pretty good anyways. Okay, I still gotta put them. Anyways, thank you for watching my video. A jump box that I regretted is fixed now, and hopefully it stays good for the next 5 to 6 years. If you guys want to get a jump box, this is not a bad jump box. I just guess they sold me a defective one. I never paid attention to it, and then my shop shut down for several months. It sat down for a while, and I bought this thing. I had 3 jump boxes. This is one of them that I bought. And thick cables, that matters. Okay, the amperage. Okay, if you got the skinny little cables from AutoZone, Pep Boy, those things are never gonna work. This thing can jump a Chevy Suburban. It can jump a BMW X5. It can jump big trucks. Okay, this little thing, it does the magic. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching my video. Stay tuned for more, and hopefully you guys pick one of these up. I had one of these jump boxes lasted me about 12 years. It kept on working for 12 years till something went wrong. That was one of the jump box, or it got stolen. That's what happened there, but that thing worked for 12 years. Anyways, thank you for watching my video. Pretty good stuff.